Good, Mom? Go in. Go. Penny, in with me. No, Pen.
That's fine. She needs to go inside.
She has to go on the inside, Jude.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
And it grabbed me with its giant forked tongue and rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 in progress. You're going to get it started. Spread out and lock it down.
There's something down here. All units, here's the girl we're looking for.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got Boo's door set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
There you go.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep down.
Reporting to the scene where we immediately...
Get rid of folks. We have to decontaminate you.
Just have to decontaminate down, folks. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation safe to
Monstropolis. It never happened. What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there. I'm watching. watching you. Always watching. Moving along, people. That's right, nothing to see here. You've all been decontaminated, so you're good to go.